Hi, I'm Madeline Corley, and today we're going to be taking you through my class website. So right here is my welcome page. You scroll down and you see that there are all my tabs linked down here. So you can click on this All About Miss Corley, School Supplies, Resources, and you can go to that part of the website, or you have these tabs up here as well. So I just put these down here just so it was an easy resource for you to get from my home page. So the first thing we are going to go to is my All About Me page. This is just a little bit about myself, where I'm from, what I do in my spare time, my extracurricular activities, just a little bit for everyone to get to know me. These right here are just some pictures of my friends and my family. My dogs, of course, can't forget about those. So that's just a little bit about me. My contact information is right here. So my next tab is our school supplies for our 2018-2019 school year. So this is just for my second grade class. This is something that the parents can go online and look at and have it right here for them. They don't have to email me and ask for it. They can just find it right here, plain and simple. So my next tab is my resources tab. Sorry. So the first thing that I have are a bunch of educational games, and these are games that children can go to just to practice really any type of schooling that they need to. Brain Pop has a lot of different things on it that can help visualize stuff for students. And then, all these websites are just good things for kids to get background knowledge on things that they want to learn about. Also under resources are a bunch of math websites. So I want to focus a lot on math because that is a subject I'm really interested in. So these are a lot of math websites for students to better their math skills. Also, I have listed a bunch of Web 2.0 tools. These are just tools that anyone can use to help really with anything you want to do, anything school related or work related. Like a lot of these come in handy. It's not only for education. So this is a really good resource for really parents, students, teachers, anyone to go to. Next we have tech projects, and the tech projects on the first page we have my PowerPoint on flowers, where I found images online that were copyright free, and I just put some pictures and then some labels with the pictures. This is something I would show whenever we're doing a flower lesson because I'm really interested in flowers as well. And that is what led me to do my second scavenger hunt. And this was when we went around LSU's campus and we were assigned something, and we found things around campus. And so I found flowers, and these are just a bunch of different flowers we found. Under tech projects, we have digital story. This is something that we created really for students to have a resource. You can put a bunch of digital stories on your websites. I chose to do a video on the frog life cycle, so this just talks about the 4 stages of the frog life cycle and what happens. The next thing is the mobile app that I reviewed and did a PowerPoint on. This was just overviewing the website, talking about the basics, the good things, the bad things, the harder things, and I included a tutorial also just in case anyone didn't know how to use Quizlet. The next thing are my PLN and PLE assignments. So on the home page of the PLN, I have the definition of each, and then if you go under part 1 of PLN 1, I have my chart where you can find all the different PLNs, and then each of the reflections are over here, and they are all linked so you can see those, and those were made with Google Doc. The next thing on tech projects would be my website evaluation. I evaluated coolmath.com. This was a really great website for students to use. It was educational, it was not biased, it was accurate, and it's something that I would definitely recommend. And the last thing is my Apple Teacher certification. I actually recently just got this, so that's something I wanted to share with teachers and students. So if you scroll down to the bottom of my website, I have contact information and my blog. If you click on contact, it links you right to my email, so it will go straight to my email. And then my blog is just some things that I've been working on, how to use wikis in the classroom, copyright, fair use, and permissible accounts, and then just a little excerpt on myself and what I expected from this class. So those were my 3 different blog posts, and yep, that's all about my website. Thank you.